our entire midfield had gone. Entire midfield. Kante, Kovacic, Jorginho, Mason Mount, Havertz. 5 people, literally entire midfield has gone. जीके क्या हाल है भाई, आजकल दिखते नहीं हो भाई. Anyway, but 5 midfielders had gone. ठीक है, so we are talking about 5 midfielders, and these 5 midfielders, literally everyone was a Champions League winner. Correct?
हाँ, Jorginho, all these guys.
Correct.
Yeah.
That was gone, so you had to replace that with at least some quality. That's where the investment came of Caicedo and Enzo, where we are investing on top quality who are available now and future.